How to fix access not available in TikTok Live Studio. A lot of you may have this problem where you click this button, get live access, and it sends you to this website where you need to apply for access. And then after a while, it says access not available on TikTok Live Studio. And just to clear out the confusion, some of you might say, I can go live on my phone. Why can I not go live on TikTok Live Studio? Well, TikTok Live Studio on your PC, it has a lot more features to customize your live, while your phone doesn't have those features that are available here. To fix this problem, you actually need to keep things in mind before you send your application, because there are requirements that you need to fulfill. The first one is your account needs to be 30 days old. And the second one is your account must have 10,000 followers if it's a non-gaming account, and only 1,000 followers if it's a gaming account. Now, this third requirement is really important. It says here that you need to go live 2 times for 25 minutes during the trial access of TikTok Live Studio that will be renewed every 180 days. So that 2 lives that you did must be in the span of 30 days for you to get your full access. So just to show you that this really works, here's an account that I own that has 18,000 followers and has fulfilled all requirements to get access on TikTok Live Studio. And as you can see, everything is working and I can go live right now.